Is your Windows backup not working, failed, or did not complete successfully? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Being a Windows user, you definitely know how important creating a backup is. By using the Windows Backup and Restore feature, you can back up all the system files and create a system restore point. These backup files are useful in case of data corruption, disk failure, and malware infection. Sometimes, due to an error, Windows fails to create a backup. This video lists the possible solutions for Windows backup not working or failed. Let's get started. Method 1. Delete or move the Windows Image Backup folder files. Sometimes Windows cannot create a system backup due to the previously stored system backup files. This problem can be fixed by either deleting the previous system backup files or moving them to another folder. You can move the previous system backup files to another folder than deleting them. Method 2. Delete recovery partition and EFI system partition. Launch the command prompt as an administrator. Type diskpart and press enter. Type list disk and press enter. This command shows all available disks on your system. Select the disk from which you want to delete the EFI and recovery partitions. For this, type the command select disk hash and press enter. In this command, replace the hash symbol with the disk number. Type list partition and press enter. Now, you have to select the partition that you want to delete. For this, type select partition hash and press enter. Don't forget to replace the symbol hash with the partition number. Check once again that you have selected the right partition, as this process cannot be reversed. To delete the selected partition, type delete partition override and press enter. Method 3. Check the disk for errors and bad sectors. Sometimes disk errors may also cause Windows backup to fail. Hence, checking the disks for errors and bad sectors can help. For this, open command prompt as an administrator, then run this command. Replace the letter X in the above command with your drive letter. This repairs not only the errors but also the bad sectors on the selected disk. By using these commands, you can check all the disks one by one. You will get this message if the disk is currently in use, which most probably happens when a user scans the C drive. Check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Yes or no? On getting this message, simply type Y and press enter. Your computer will automatically scan the disk with the check disk utility on the next restart. Method 4. Assign a new drive letter for System Reserved Partition and set it active. Open the command prompt as an administrator and follow the instructions. Type diskpart and press enter. Type list disk and press enter as well. It will display all the disks that you have on your computer. Now, you have to select the disk on which the System Reserved Partition is created. For this, type the command select disk hash and press enter. Please replace the symbol hash with the disk number. Type list volume and press enter. Now you have to select the disk volume to which you want to assign a new drive letter. For this, type the command select volume hash and press enter. Don't forget to replace the symbol hash with the volume number. Type assign letter X and press enter. You can assign any letter. After assigning a new drive letter, select the same disk partition by typing the same command, that is, select volume hash. Type active and press enter. This command will set the system reserved partition on the MBR disk as active. Method 5. Disable system protection and delete the previously created system restore points. Type system protection in the Windows search bar and press enter. Select your disk and click configure. Now, select disable system protection and click on the delete button. Click OK. Repeat these steps to delete the system restore points on different hard drives. Method 6. Recreate a new partition. If Windows cannot create a backup on a particular partition, try creating a new partition for Windows backups and see if the issue is fixed. You can use the disk management tool to create new partitions. You can follow this guide for details. Method 7. Update Windows File History. File History is a Windows built-in backup tool. After creating a backup, Windows automatically updates the file history status. One reason for the Windows backup failure is an outdated file history. Open the Settings app and check whether the file history status is updating after a backup or not. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.